How's it going? So I picked up this headlight, taillight, turn signal kit off Amazon, and I was going to hook it up to my aftermarket controller on my ZX, and it's really easy to do this. So this right here, that's for your brake switch, and then the white one right here, that's your main power. So for me, hooked up the main power to that one right there, and then the brake cutoff right there. Now you can hook it up to the lamp. You'll be able to control it on the screen with the off and on switch, but this already has a off and on switch. So let me show you how I mount it on the bike, and also how I'm going to wire up to the other headlight I have on my ZX. All right, I went in and took one side of the moly panels off so I can show you how I mounted the tail light. See, it just passes right through. Fits really well, and the controller will fit right here on top. So I got the switch all mounted on there. Just gonna run it right down underneath here to the back of the controller. So that's what it looks like. I have it all wired up. So just connector there, and then I kind of messed up the connector, so I had to just run the black to the brake cutoff. Let me turn it on and make sure it works. Turn the bike on. Okay, headlight's coming on. Tail light. Let's see if brakes are working. Now horn. Horn's working. Let's see the turn signals. Yep. All right, it's all working. Now I just gotta wire up the headlight to this one right here. Now I have everything else mounted to the bike and wired up. It's time to go ahead and bust this thing open and wire it up. So the red is for the horn, the green is for the headlight, and the black is the ground. Now I no longer need the battery box or any of this wiring. Man, that's stuck on there. Dang. All right, this is gonna take a minute to get this battery box out of here. So I definitely mounted that thing in there so it wouldn't be able to be removed. Okay, now, so you just do the ground to the ground and the green wire to the orange, and then the headlight should work. So let me get that wired up. And I just wired up horn positive, then the negative splitting off into the light and the horn, and then the positive for the light. That will just be double side taped about right there like that, and the case will just close in on it. All right, here is the finished product. You see, horn fits right in there, just enough room. Got it all wired in there. Let me go throw it on the bike. So I have the whole kit wired up now. Went ahead and closed the garage door, turned off all the lights. Let's turn it on. So as you see, it's plenty bright. The tail light. So it seems to be plenty bright.